The Printer Analysis dashboard gives an overview of how certain types of printers have been performing. It allows you to see if a brand or a model is either under or overperforming compared against a global average. With this dashboard, you should be able to identify what machines users need to start using, or even for them to be potentially rotated around your estate. With our grid component in the top left, we can see what our printer estate is made up of. In our case, the top printer is a Xerox Ultralink C8055. We can reorganize this list to see the top printing printers by number of pages by selecting the Total Pages tab at the top. Again, it's also another type of Ultralink, but it has less printers available. As this is a master component, I'll select it from the list to view more stats on our C8070. Selecting the gauge for the number of printers, we can either select the location of our printers or show all of them. I'll show all for this example. Within this grid, we can quickly see the top performing printer, which is sitting at 10,000 pages in location 1. Comparing this figure against the average of this group shows us that the average sits at 1,500. This means that our top printer is printing 9,000 pages more than the average. So with our variance, we can see that this means that it's printing 632% more than any other C8070 model. This drawdown can be filtered further. Just by selecting any other attribute, you can actually delve further into either the server's name, location, printer group, and also the printer name. So once we exit the drawdown, we can also use the filters and look at those same parameters we used to find out the variance, and use this to find out the overall information for our particular scope. Let's look at the C8070 machine in the printer type, in the location of 1 for the server 1.